Are you tired of uncomfortable running shoes that leave your feet aching? Here are the 5 best Asics options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Adrenaline GTS 24 Weatherized. First up is the Brooks Adrenaline GTS 24 Weatherized. Priced at $129.22, its weatherized design really caught my attention. If you want to run comfortably in any weather, this is worth a serious look. Running in unpredictable weather can be tricky, but with this shoe, you can focus on your stride instead of worrying about slipping or getting cold. Plus, it has a Guidrail's holistic support system, which supports your body's natural movement, helping you avoid injuries. Just this month, over 200 pairs sold, indicating a solid interest among runners. Now, some people complained about the shoe being a bit heavier than expected. Here's the thing though, the added weight contributes to its durability and support. If you value comfort and weather protection over a feather-light design, this won't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you live in an area with unpredictable weather or you just want a reliable running shoe. Skip this one if you're training for speed or want something ultralight. But for $129.22, you're getting a solid value for a shoe that can handle the elements. Now, if the weight of the Adrenaline GTS 24 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Men's Gel Venture 10. Next up, we have the Men's Gel Venture 10, priced at an affordable $82.89. What caught my eye here is the trail-specific outsole that's designed to improve grip on various terrains. If you're after a budget-friendly shoe that can handle off-road conditions, this is worth considering. The mesh upper enhances breathability, keeping your feet cool during long runs, while the rear foot gel technology provides excellent impact absorption. This means you can enjoy a softer landing with each step, which is essential for those long miles. Plus, the AMPLIFOAM cushioning gives you that extra bounce, ensuring comfort throughout your run. With over 100 pairs sold just this month, it's clear that runners appreciate the value it brings. Now, some users mention that the sizing can be a bit off, causing some discomfort. Here's the thing, if you're willing to try these on or order a half size up, you can avoid that frustration. For those who need a reliable trail shoe without breaking the bank, this is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you frequently run on trails or need a reliable shoe for casual runs. Skip this one if you're looking for a shoe with maximum cushioning or support. Overall, it's a great value for its price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a responsive feel. Product number 3, Men's DYNABLAST 5. Now let's talk about the Men's DYNABLAST 5, priced at $155.07. The engineered jacquard mesh upper caught my attention for its breathability, which is key for those longer runs. If you want a shoe that helps you feel light and responsive, this one's worth a closer look. The FF Blast Plus cushioning is what really stands out here. If you've ever felt sluggish during a run, this could be the solution you need. Plus, the AHAR low outsole rubber improves durability, meaning this shoe will last longer even with frequent use. Just over 50 pairs sold recently show that it's gaining a following among serious runners. However, some users mentioned that it might not provide enough arch support for those with specific needs. Here's the thing, if you typically have no issues with arch support, this won't be a problem for you. But if you have higher arches, you may want to consider adding custom insoles. This is perfect for you if you prioritize a light and responsive shoe for speed training or races. Skip this one if you need more support or stability. For the price, you're really getting a fantastic running experience. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more stability, the next one might just fit the bill. Product number 4, Men's GT 1013. The fourth pick is the Men's GT 1013, priced at $108.60. The engineered mesh upper wraps your foot in comfort, and I love the 3D guidance system. This shoe adapts to your movements. If you want a supportive shoe without sacrificing comfort, this is worth considering. The FLYTFOAM cushioning provides excellent impact absorption, helping to reduce fatigue on long runs. The rear foot pure gel technology adds a soft landing with each step, which is crucial if you struggle with joint pain. With over 50 sold recently, runners are clearly taking notice of its benefits. Now, some people found the fit a bit narrow, which could be uncomfortable for those with wider feet. Here's the thing though, if you have average width feet or normally wear a snug fit, this won't be an issue. This shoe is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid balance of support and comfort during your runs. Skip this one if you have wide feet or need more room in the toe box. At this price, it's a solid investment for runners who need that extra support. Now, if you want something with a more eco-friendly approach, the next shoe is a great option. Product number 5, Men's Gel Pulse 15. Finally, let's look at the Men's Gel Pulse 15, priced at $127.87. What grabbed my attention is that at least 20% of the shoe's main upper material is made with recycled content. If you care about the environment while running, this might be your pick. The engineered mesh upper allows for breathability, and the FLYTFOAM cushioning creates a lightweight and comfortable feel underfoot. The rear foot gel technology also improves impact absorption, ensuring that every foot strike is softer. There are no reviews yet, but the eco-conscious features have already caught the interest of many runners. However, a few early users mentioned that the responsiveness could be lacking for faster runs. Here's the thing, if you're mainly doing easy-paced runs or just starting out, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable running shoe that's also environmentally friendly. Skip this one if you're someone focused on speed training. For the price, you're getting a shoe that not only performs but also helps reduce waste and carbon emissions. So to wrap it up, we've covered the Brooks Adrenaline GTS 24 Weatherized, the Men's Gel Venture 10, the Men's DYNABLASD 5, the Men's GT 1013, and the Men's Gel Pulse 15. Trophy, if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Men's DYNABLASD 5 because it combines responsiveness and comfort perfectly for a great running experience. The one to avoid is the Gel Venture 10 if you have wider feet due to the sizing issues. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.